Ivan Baluyot. Pasay in pink, Cebu in white. The tip is up. First possession belongs to the Pasay Voyagers. Rebound by Lian Martel.
Hindi magkapit bahay ito. Itong si Cortiza is coming off La Union, his hometown.
Tama.
So magkasunod lang yan.
2-0 in favor of Pasay after that basket earlier by King Cortiza. Mark Meneses straight to the cup.
Can't believe that each and every game we cover Mark Meneses. I would have never thought that the face of Cebu will be Mark Meneses. Right? You know, we talked about a lot of names. Dito si Camacho, dyan si Dondon.
Enriquez as JJ has a limb to beat. Trailer si Camacho bothering that attempt. Here comes Ice Hontiveros. Pasa kay Meneses. The sidestep beauty from Mark.
You know, I think one advantage of Ice,
And they have become a defensive juggernaut itong Cebu. But not that time though. Letting Nico Quinal get in transition.
going to the season, pero he's made the name for himself here in the pink jersey, one of the best shooters on their end. And now he's also able to run that basketball.
Escocio with a jumper.
What's scary is that he has this attack on a one dribble jumper when you give him that space. So it's hard to know what you want to give him.
Ice Hontiveros nails the three. Something that would definitely help him moving forward if he could hit that shot consistently.
Oh yun, narinig.
Eto, alam natin consistent yan galing sa labas. Balik kay Nash Enriquez. Binabantay ni R3 Armenion. Cortiza between the legs. Pull-up jumper over Wawi. Escocio is pure. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Armenion hands it off. Al Francis Tamsi. Lista mo na yan galing sa tres.
So, do you call them
Bukulano?
Bocolano?
Oo yata eh.
Pero Bisaya rin yun, tama? Bisaya rin ata.
Oo. Camacho lays it in with his left hand. And despite their limitations in terms of them not really having that consistent outside shooter, they make up for it with this kind of pace. Ayan, getting offensive rebounds, doing the dirty work, and Mark Meneses with a putback. Farito coming off the bench. Mark Parks, pasa kay Farito, tres si Christian, yes sir! I don't know if it was here or Olivares.
Mamaya, hanapin ko yan.
Hanapin yan. Deflection, completed steal by Simon Camacho, runs the break. Ron Denison. This is a much better look. Bumulong palabas, Camacho with another rebound. Inside, Baityong will score.
He was the one that got the assist. Everything was named Simon Camacho in that play.
Darrell Manlinges put some speed on. 21-18, Camacho facing off against Mark Parks. Denison, hindi gumapang paloob. Baityong, same spot, same result. Always at the right place at the right time. 6 points. Ang galing din pumesto talaga sa ilalim.
Oh yes, that's been the strength of Alvin Baityong.
Ayan.
Tama yun.
Case in point. 8 points for Alvin Baityong in this quarter. Manlinges on him initially. Now he's tasked to guard his former teammate Armenion, straight away free. And this lead now up to 12. Actually, inaalala ko, binanggit mo yan sa akin. Si Daphne yun during the preseason, they're really, after trailing by 3, they pushed ahead. Pasay responding with a steal. Manlinges has Reverente to beat and he scores.
You need those kinds of baskets if you are Pasay. You don't want to fall into the same situation you had against Valenzuela, where Valenzuela led all the way up to 17, pero pag si Cebuano hotshot, nag-inet ng ganyan, medyo mahihirapan ka talaga.
Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Naagaw ni Mark Meneses ang bola. Reverente, pasa ay Ariar. Altamirano, quick catch and shoot. That's a free from the corner.
Specialty of the house, this guy's a known scorer.
Martel gives it. Step back jumper for 3. Alcoriza is short. But the stick back from mid-range. This time inbound, Altamirano. Pinasa kay Kit Ariar. tinira agad. Pasok din yan. Pumoposte si Brian Hilario. Humihit the shimmy and the basket. What a move from Brian Hilario.
Not the best shot attempts. There were hands in front of their shooting attempts.
Montivero, same spot, same result. 43-31. That was their win over Quezon City. Altamirano strokes in the trifecta.
Always a comfortable shot para dito kay Itchy.
Pwesto sa ilalim si Camacho na agaw ni Nash Enriquez. Pulls back. Knew that Camacho was in the vicinity. The cut inside. Munmun de la Cruz forcing his way in. He will score.
Alam niya hindi niya kailangan ipilit. And he saw that he had a teammate cutting to that trail.
Oh! That basket will count. 3-point shot by Itchy Altamirano.
Shout out Coach RB, joke lang.
They love yan si Coach RB. Sa ilalim, Camacho after coming up with a block, he scores underneath.
Ken Arriar is such a threat on the court because he can either shoot the shot, but you know, the interior defense has been intense and elite. For Cebu, there has been no...
Naago na naman, enough time, Altamirano. Farito giving chase, but Itchy will score over him to cap off this phenomenal second quarter for Cebu.
These are the things that they have to be able to read and, you know, more importantly, really match the energy by Cebu here in the ballgame.
Nash Enriquez, Munmun de la Cruz, Christian Farito, Nico Quinal, and King Gortiza, the 5 on the floor. Good sign to start off the third quarter. Farito drills in the 3. 10 on their shot clock. Gortiza rejected once more by Simon Camacho. Meneses splitting Farito and Enriquez lays it in.
Fit and healthy parehas and very passionate with their work.
Don Reverente, being part of that team for 4 years sa Pasay. Munmun de la Cruz, tumabaw sa ilalim. Pinasaan si Camacho, balik kay Tamsi. Meneses takes the 3 and makes it.
You know how simple is that offense, though?
Meneses, 7 on the shot clock. Trying to break down Munmun de la Cruz. Off the dribble, and he does! Another 3-pointer by the Lawak Locomotive.
There was a hand by Munmun. Good defense, pero pasok pa rin para kay Mark Meneses.
That confidence growing each and every day, but that time he was caught. So that's an 11-point disparity in terms of rebounds on average. Camacho sa loob, supalpal, huli ulit. This time ni Munmun de la Cruz. Enriquez hesitates. Now he drives. Hilario will not. He takes it and drains the 3-pointer.
That's a good lift coming off Brian Hilario. So might be a good chance as well for them to utilize on that skill.
Sports Plus is the official sportsbook of the MPBN. Scan the QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. Enriquez pasa sa labas. Gortiza. Hilario about the same spot. 2 guys challenging him. No problem. Back-to-back triples for Brian Hilario.
Giving them a lot of energy in the fourth quarter for them to be able to make a run. This time around, they need it a little bit earlier. Brian Hilario already with 6. But Wawi Escocio is answering every time. Interesting 5. No natural point guard on the side of Pasay.
Baseline drive. Now stopping on the dime. Hitting the jumper was Nico Quinal.
The first opportunity for Nico Quinal. Pasok agad yan para kay Nico.
Camacho, pasa sa labas. Tamsi, press. It's gotta be deflating if you're passing, but you have to stick with it. Long way to go. Crossover dribble. The teardrop puts it in. Cyril Gonzalez. Camacho gets it. Altamirano ahead. Alcoriza giving chase. But nobody checking Mark Meneses, who sticks it back in for Cebu. Can't get that one to fall. Umikot si Gonzalez, malakas. Santiago straight away free, that will rattle in.
He's one of their best scorers He's a proven UAAP champion. Pero ito si Mark Meneses makakuha ng dakdak.
Oh, he will slam it down, raise the roof, says Mark Meneses.
Pasay is coming off the outside. They need someone to be able to attack.
Ontiveros loves that spot. He has hit 3 of those. Swings it to Jello Santiago. He drives, wraparound pass. Manligues rejected by Meneses. Maraming salamat, Daphne. Alam mo, nakakatuwang story dito kay Dondon. He was supposed to be part, or they were eyeing him to be part of the lineup nung play-in. Ibaba na kanina ng pasa yan down to as low as 11. Enriquez, way off. De La Cruz swoops in and scores. Ibang segundo na lang nalalabit sa kanilang shot clock. Aguiar has to make his move, turns around. Got Gortiza up in the air, and it's been that type of a night for the Cebu Greats.
You know, it really deflates you that you are trying so hard but parang walang tama kayong nagagawa.
Cebu will have a couple of games at home in July next month. Something to look forward to. Mga kalaban nila Binyan on July 16. Evangelista the rebound. Alcoriza drives, lays it in. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
It's going to be an exciting second game.
Montaño floats it up and in. Alcoriza the rebound. Simon Camacho giving chase, altering that shot.
Look at Camacho, man. It's the end game. You already have the win, but you secure that, you know, they're not gonna let anything easy for you. Still sprinting down.
Quarter, Dondon Ontiveros, 3 triples, but we give it to our best player of the game, brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. We give it to this guy who's been their undisputed #1 player on this roster, Mark Meneses. 1 rebound shy of a double-double.
Well, it's the usual kind of game for Mark Meneses. Are we even surprised? No. But we are just so happy that he continues to be consistent. That was the question to start the year. Can he be consistent? Can he be a star against a big team like Pasay? Mark Meneses still continues his stellar play, getting 19 in 9, well deserving of our player of the game honors.